Coppell is known for its welcoming neighborhoods, strong community feel, and convenient access to major roadways and business centers. While that accessibility is a benefit, it can also mean outside noise and fluctuating temperatures that affect your indoor comfort. If your home feels drafty in certain seasons or you notice street noise filtering inside, your windows may be the reason. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows can dramatically improve both comfort and quiet, helping create a more relaxing and enjoyable living environment in your Coppell home. Reducing heat transfer for steady indoor temperatures. Texas weather can be demanding, with hot summers and occasional cold snaps. Older windows, especially single-pane models, allow heat to pass through easily. This leads to hot spots near windows during summer and chilly drafts in winter. Energy-efficient windows are designed with double or triple pane glass. The multiple layers create insulating barriers that slow heat transfer. Many also include argon gas between panes, which further enhances insulation. The result is a more stable indoor temperature year-round. Your HVAC system doesn't have to work as hard, and your living spaces stay consistently comfortable. Low-E glass keeps heat where it belongs. Low emissivity, low-E coatings are another key feature of modern energy-efficient windows. These microscopic coatings reflect infrared heat while allowing natural light to pass through. In Coppell's warm climate, low-E glass helps reduce solar heat gain, keeping interiors cooler during peak sun hours. During cooler weather, it reflects interior warmth back into your home. This balance of light and temperature control enhances comfort without darkening your rooms. Minimizing drafts and air leaks. Drafts are more than just uncomfortable, they signal energy loss. Gaps around aging window frames allow conditioned air to escape and outdoor air to enter. Energy-efficient windows are built with advanced weather stripping and precision-engineered frames. When closed and locked, they create a tight seal that minimizes air leakage. Professional installation further ensures the window opening is properly insulated and sealed. This eliminates hidden gaps that could compromise comfort. For Coppell homeowners, fewer drafts mean more consistent temperatures and lower energy waste. Reducing outside noise for a calmer home comfort isn't just about temperature, it's also about sound. As Coppell continues to grow, traffic and neighborhood activity can create unwanted noise. Energy-efficient windows often include thicker glass and multi-pane construction that dampen sound vibrations. The insulating space between panes acts as a buffer, reducing the amount of noise that enters your home. If you live near a busy street or school, this added sound control can make a noticeable difference. Bedrooms, home offices, and living rooms feel quieter and more peaceful. Some homeowners even choose laminated glass options for enhanced sound reduction. Improving indoor air quality by sealing out drafts and minimizing air infiltration, energy-efficient windows help control the flow of outdoor pollutants, dust, and allergens. In Coppell, where seasonal pollen can be a concern, tighter window seals support a cleaner indoor environment. This contributes to healthier, more comfortable living spaces. Lower energy bills and long-term savings. When windows perform efficiently, your heating and cooling systems operate more effectively. Reduced strain on HVAC equipment can lead to lower utility bills and potentially fewer maintenance issues. Over time, these savings help offset the cost of upgrading your windows. A smart upgrade for Coppell Homes' energy-efficient windows do more than reduce energy use, they enhance your daily comfort. By stabilizing indoor temperatures, minimizing drafts, and reducing outside noise, they create a quieter, more relaxing home environment. For Coppell homeowners seeking improved comfort and long-term value, investing in energy-efficient windows is a practical and rewarding decision. It's a simple upgrade that delivers year-round benefits, helping you enjoy your living space to the fullest.